Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have some very exciting news. As you can tell by the title of the video, I started my very own sticker shop. So the reason why I decided to kind of start a little sticker shop business is because, you know, there are a lot of great stickers out there on the market, but I wanted to make something that kind of fit my style, which is more like clean lines, minimalist, very simple but sleek stickers. So I started LaTruce PAPERIE. So this is my shop's name, LaTruce PAPERIE, because you know I'm Cindy LaTruce and I'm making these fun stickers, and I have like a little bee as my symbol because, I don't know, it reminds me of my husband Buzz, and you know, shout out to my husband. He's deployed right now, but I know he'll be watching this video and probably critiquing in the background. But anyways, let's talk about my stickers, shall we? So I am not creating budget kit stickers. I'm actually creating monthly calendar view kit stickers at the moment. I feel like there are a lot of budget kits out there right now, and I probably will in the future start creating some budget kits, but for right now, I am going to focus on like monthly kits, and I will show you what I mean by that. So these are my stickers. I'm gonna go through them with you guys and kind of explain to you how the ordering process will go and like how the design will look and stuff. These are what I have come up with. So I call this sticker kit the August 29 calendar kit. So for example here, this is just my academic planner. August 2019 has a couple dates that aren't useful for the month, and so this kit will actually come with like scallop stickers that you can use to cover this up, and that's what I mean by the August 2019 calendar kit. These kits you can use in like the old planner. This is the 2018-2019 planner, and it will fit this planner as well as the new 2019-2020 planners as well. I try to make it where you can like order it and it'll still fit in both planners. I'm gonna go through like these stickers and like how you can use them. So even though you see all this, there's technically two kits. So I want to go ahead and talk about the first kit. So this is the first kit here. It will fit both the 2018-2019 planners as well as the 2019 and 2020 planners. This kit you can use for both the neutral and colorful planner. However, there is a slight difference between the 2018-2019 neutral and colorful planner. So I designed this one specifically for the colorful 2018-2019 planner because this is removable matte paper and there is some ghosting behind it. So I made the header on the opposite side because I'll show you here. I made it like this because the colorful is like, you can see a little bit of ghosting behind the washi, so you can see August. So I didn't want that to overlap that, and you know, it's just very distracting, so I made it kind of like that. These kits will fit the 2018-2019 planners, and it will also fit the 2019-2020 planners. So let's just go through the stickers here. I have the top two washies for the header, and then we have the event boxes, and then I have these 4 skinny washies because if you are using this for the 2019-2020 planners, I included these washies so you can cover the kaleidoscope little thing here underneath the days, or if you're using it for the colorful planner, you can use it to cover up the top and bottom like rainbow kaleidoscope design. So that's why I included 4 of these. And if you're wondering why this is like a little bit more lime green than this, I was using these to kind of play with and design, but this is what the colors are going to look like. And then for the transparent washi, these are little half washies here, so you can use them to like mark vacation days or something like that, so it's going to look like this, you know. And then I also have transparent washi here that you can use to cover up the days in the 2018-2019 planner. See, because they don't have the kaleidoscope design underneath, I designed it so you can put it on top of the days here. Just kind of like to tie it all in together. And then I also have like a light yellow washi here that you can also use for whatever you want as well. So all of the options for how you can order it will be in the drop down menu in Etsy, and it will fit all of the planners that you guys are currently using at the moment. Now, I decided to also make a second kit, and this one is slightly different too. As you can see, there's not a monthly title in these because this one here is a transparent washi. In this kit here, you have 2 large transparent washies, a half washi, and then also include like the 2 washis and a light yellow washi. I created this kit with the neutral planner in mind. So let me just show you here. So I'm just going to use the new 2019-2020 planner to give you an example. I'm gonna put it on September because I played with it on August. I already like placed stickers down, you know, when I was designing. So I'm just gonna put it on September to show you like how you can use it. You have the clear washi, just like this, and it will cover the top here. And I thought, I don't know, I just thought this was kind of cute. Like, you still get the font of the Erin Condren, but also you get designs up top, very simple and clean. And see, I included, this is the removable matte washi. You can use this washi to cover up the kaleidoscope design here as well. And even though this kit, I try to match up with the August colors, you can use it for any month, really. The only reason why I say it's the August 2019 kit is because I included the scallop washi to cover up dates that, you know, aren't applicable to the month. Obviously this is September, so it's not gonna work, but I just want to show you how it's gonna look. Just like that. This for the other side. And personally, I would, you know, white out some of the little designs so it doesn't show through the washi. And then also, not only that, you can use it for the colorful 2019-2020 planner as well. See, because it is basically like a neutral planner, so you can take the washi and place it on top here. I'm not going to do it because I'm actually going to use this, but you can use it to cover up that part there, and then take like these skinny washis if you want to cover up the color at the top and bottom, just like that. And the last thing that I'm releasing in my sticker shop are these cute, simple, very simple bill stickers. So the stickers that I currently have in stock are these rent and mortgage stickers. They're just little icons, and I made sure to include a little line here where you can write down the amount as well as if you like paid it off or not. I have internet stickers, car payment stickers, and these colors match the Erin Condren colors. But if you have like multiple credit cards, you can like mix match colors to match the kits as well. I personally did that. Like for example, if you had 2 credit cards, you can use like the yellow and the green to like match the calendar kits. But since this already says credit card, I'm also going to have a custom credit card bill stickers, which will look like this. It has the light gray line so you can write what credit card it is. But if you want, you can just get like these non-personalized bill stickers that you can customize yourself. So that's what it's going to look like. And lastly, I have utility bill stickers. So I have water, gas, and electric. So these are the stickers that are currently up in my shop. So you guys can definitely be sure to check that out. I am planning on releasing more bill stickers in the near future. But if you guys have an idea of what bills you want to see in my shop, be sure to let me know in the comments down below so I can design it and put it in my shop. I'll be sure to make it easy for you guys when it comes to ordering. But I wanted to like show you guys examples of how I set like the kit up in my planners. Like for example here, this is my 2018-2019 planner. The colors are different because this was like when I was designing, but this is kind of like what you can do with it. As you can see, I have like bill stickers here. I try to make sure that you can fit at least like 3 stickers on one box. Like for the example, the first you have rent and then like 2 event box stickers. You can fit that. I know some people have like multiple bills on one day, so I wanted to make sure that you guys are able to fit all that. And then you can see like I have like some washi here. This is the clear washis. And like for this here, you can, for example, put this here to cover up the dates. Obviously the colors are not the right colors, but this is the color that's going up in the shop. That's how you can use it in the 2018-2019 planner. This is the neutral planner, so you could also like even use the clear stickers to like cover up the top here and still be kind of cute. Like it would just look like that. And then I want to show you guys in the colorful planner. This is the 2018-2019 colorful planner. It has like the thick header here. So you can put it on top here, but the header will be on the right side because there is a little bit of ghosting there, as you can see. Yeah, you can use it like this. You can like block out days or whatever you want. And then showing you guys my 2019-2020 planner. See, you can use it like this. This is a neutral planner. You could use it like this. And then for the colorful planner, you can even put it like this as well. You don't even need to put the washi like up here. You could just put it in other days, like block out multiple days, put the washi on here. It's very versatile. You can put it anywhere you want. It's really up to your own like personal taste and how you like to decorate. Like I said, I like things to be cute, simple, and just be able to like do what I want with it. You know, I don't want to have to be like tied down to how a sticker kit should be used. I want you guys to have like full range range of like how you can like decorate and stuff. And I would just love to see how you guys use my kits. So if you guys decide to like order these kits and you have an Instagram, be sure to tag me because I would love to see how you guys are using it, you know, just seeing how it works for you. Unfortunately, right now, I only have the 7.5 by 9 planner kits in stock, but I plan on releasing the like 8.5 by 11 size kits here pretty soon before August comes. So I'll be sure to update you guys when those kits will be on sale. So right now, only the 7.5 by 9. And like I said, if you guys have Instagram, I'll definitely update you guys on there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I wouldn't have been able to start up this little Etsy sticker shop without you guys. When you guys like watch and like my videos, it really helps out my channel and like my little business here. I really hope you guys like these stickers if you decide to order them. I'll be sure to leave all of the information to my shop in the down bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys!